Have you ever come across a place so surreal that it felt like stepping into a dream? Today, we're going to take you on a journey to 10 extraordinary locations on Earth that don't feel real. Buckle up and get ready for an adventure you won't forget. Our first stop takes us to Pamukkale in Turkey, where nature's artwork comes to life. These dazzling white terraces, formed by calcium-rich mineral waters, create a mesmerizing sight that seems straight out of a fantasy. Next, we travel to Zhangye in China. Feast your eyes on the vibrant, rainbow-colored mountains that appear like an artist's palette. The layers of sandstone and mineral deposits have created a breathtaking masterpiece that defies reality. Now, let's venture into the mesmerizing Sala de Uyuni, the world's largest salt flat located in Bolivia. This otherworldly landscape, spanning over 10,000 square kilometers, transforms into a mirror-like surface during the rainy season, reflecting the sky above and leaving you in awe. Prepare to be enchanted as we enter the Waitomo glowworm caves in New Zealand. Step into a magical underground world where thousands of tiny glowworms light up the darkness like a starry night sky, creating a surreal and captivating experience. Our next destination takes us to Socotra Island in Yemen, a place that feels like it belongs to another planet. The iconic dragon's blood trees and the otherworldly rock formations make you question whether you've entered an extraterrestrial realm. Hidden in the heart of Croatia lies the enchanting Plitvice Lakes National Park. Immerse yourself in a fairy tale-like setting where a series of interconnected lakes and cascading waterfalls create a symphony of nature that feels too magical to be real. Prepare to be transported to a world straight out of a fantasy movie as we explore Zhangjiajie National Forest Park in China. These towering sandstone pillars, surrounded by a mystical mist, inspired the floating mountains in the movie Avatar. Located in the Nevada desert of the United States, the Fly Geyser is a true hidden gem. Its vibrant hues of red, orange, and green, caused by the minerals in the geothermal water, create a mesmerizing and surreal sight that feels like stepping into an alien landscape. Now, let's travel to the mystical landscape of the Wave in Arizona, USA. This natural sandstone rock formation, sculpted by wind and water over centuries, creates a mesmerizing pattern that transports you to a dreamlike realm. Our final destination is the mighty Mount Roraima, a massive tabletop mountain that stretches across Venezuela, Brazil, and Guyana. Its summit, often shrouded in clouds, presents an otherworldly sight, making you feel like you're standing on the edge of the world. These 10 places on Earth remind us that reality can often surpass our wildest imaginations. Join us next time as we continue to uncover the wonders of our incredible planet.